demonstrate the raw electric power of the BMW 530e iPerformance, we're going to attempt to tame one of the most powerful forces on Earth.
Lightning has certainly scared people forever. It's more powerful than almost anything you can think about.
We've always been captivated by the power of electricity. The challenge has been harnessing that energy to reinvent what a hybrid electric vehicle can be. A force of nature.
What we do, which is called triggered lightning, is a very unusual kind of research. We're going to make lightning out of a natural thunderstorm by shooting a rocket trailing a grounded wire. Lightning is extremely powerful, but it's only powerful for a few millionths of a second. It's half art and half science.